Part 1. Abiotic factors. 6 different abiotic factors found in estuaries, physical pressures that put on organisms, and adaptations of some organisms will be explained in this video. Abiotic factor number 1 is temperature. Temperature varies over different estuaries in different parts of the world. The physical pressures temperature put on organisms is that they have to be able to retain heat when the temperature is cold or lose heat when the temperatures are high. The physiological adaptation of a great blue heron is the countercurrent blood flow in their legs. Countercurrent blood flow refers to a vein and artery being located very close to each other so that heat from the arterial blood traveling from the body core will be transferred to the colder blood traveling towards the body in the vein. This reduces the amount of heat lost to the external environment. Abiotic factor number 2 is the salinity of water. This refers to the concentration of salt found in the water. The salinity of water puts physical pressures on organisms by creating unfavorable osmotic gradients. The Rangia clams have an outer covering impermeable to water to prevent water loss via osmosis. This is a structural adaptation. Abiotic factor number 3 is the amount of oxygen available. Organisms need oxygen to survive and need to be able to obtain oxygen from air or water. For example, a behavioral adaptation of the slope eye mud crab is that it burrows on the ground during high tides and plugs the burrow. This traps air within the burrow so that it is able to breathe. Abiotic factor number 4 is the amount of rainfall. The amount of rainfall controls the salinity of water, so organisms have to be able to tolerate the fluctuations of water. Saltwater mussels have root cells that are able to retain salts to allow water to move in constantly via osmosis. Abiotic factor number 5 is the soil composition. Estuaries don't usually have soil since most of the ground is made out of sand and silt. Since silt is always very wet, organisms have to be able to travel through it without falling over or getting stuck in the mud. The sandpiper bird has long legs, adapted to walking in the mud as they provide support and prevents the body of the bird to sink into the mud. Abiotic factor number 6 is the tidal influence. The physical pressure is put on organisms is the movement of water and how it may push or wash some marine animals on shore. The yellow-eye mullet has a streamlined body shape to help it move faster and cut through water resistance.